In this video, you are going to learn that how you can create a tours and travel booking website using WordPress and without coding. So first of all, you don't need any technical knowledge to create this website. If you don't know anything about websites, you can even create the website. You don't need any design knowledge, because in this video tutorial we'll importing the complete website, and then we'll have to change some text, pictures and logos, and that's all. I'll just give you a complete overview of the website features, and I'll share with you that how you can edit the things, how you can publish the things, and how you can make the website functional. So basically the website is the tutorial is divided into three parts. First of all, I'll give you the complete overview of the website, that what's inside the website, and then I'll share with you that how you can create the website, and at the end we'll talk about some marketing stuff as well. Okay, so this is completely for free. We'll be using completely free WordPress theme, completely free WordPress plugin, but you would have to pay some bucks if you need some extra premium features. So first of all, let's just have an overview of the website. So here we are on the home page. This is the home page where we have logo, the search tab, and also some menus, and then we have a banner, and here is a search section where the users can select a destination, then what activities, and then duration of that trip, and also what their budget, and they can search for a tour for them. Then here are some features. You can add the features here, and you can also link them to destinations page, and then you have some popular packages. You can add the popular packages here, and then a banner section here, then some feature trips you can add, and then you have deals and discounts, popular destinations, again a banner, then some activities, some articles from blog, and then at the end is the footer. So let's just move above, and then you have an activity section where your all activities are listed, and in the video tutorial I'll share with you that how you can add more activities or edit the previous activities as well. So if you don't if you know about a few things, if you like, if you want to skip the video, I have added the timestamps, so you can go in description and you can just skip to any of the timestamps if you want. And then next one is the destinations page. In destinations page you have all the destinations where the trips and tours are provided, and then you can also add the trip types, where all the trip types like budget travel, child friendly, cultural, and all the trip types are added. And then are the trips, and like you can add the manual, you can add the trips manually, and here are all the trips. And when someone click on this view details page, the person would be redirected to or landed to the details of the trips, and then here are all the features listed. You can also list all these features, including the cost, facts, and overview, etc. And then they can also check the availability of the trip, and then they can select a date, and then they can select a package, and then click continue, and here you can see the $2,000 proceed to checkout, and let's add one traveler, and then user have to click proceed to checkout. And then to make it functional, you would have to add a payment method, and users can pay using Stripe or PayPal or any other payment method automatically, and your automatic payments are done. And then you have the contact page where all users can contact you, and then at bottom your contact info like phone number, email, address, and all your social profiles are listed as well. And you have a lot of things to explore as well, like in pages we have blog, full width, and then we have 404 page as well, search page, confirmation page, inquiry, thank you page, and a lot other pages. So let's just explore the blog page. This is the blog page, by the way. You can just go to website as well to explore this website. And here you can see the blogs are added. You can also add these blogs so you can rank on Google and get more customers from Google. I'll share this marketing thing at the end of the video. Okay, so when someone clicks on read more, they can just go to the blog, and they can read the blog. And in blog you can add the several sections where you can add your packages, travel packages, and all these things. I think we are done with the overview of the website. Now a call to action, that if you want to get latest videos or tutorials on web design, digital marketing and SEO and online business, then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get all these. And also, if you are a freelancer and you want to learn more about website designing, the complete playlist link is in description, so you can explore all that. And also the link to WordPress masterclass is also in description, where you can learn that how to use WordPress effectively, learn WordPress, and then some secret ways used by me and six-figure freelancers to get clients. And if you are a business owner and you want to hire someone to create a travel website for you, which is completely functional, SEO friendly and ranking on Google, and like getting you the profits, then what you can do is you want to hire experts, you can hire us. A website link is in description, my personal phone number, email and Instagram, and all the messaging channels are in description, so you can just reach out to me and I'll assist you that how you can do it all. And if you need any assistance, my meeting link is also in description. Enough of the marketing now, and now let's just move on to the practical part. So first of all, to create any kind of business and business website and publish it, you need a domain name and hosting. And if you don't know what the domain name and hosting is, domain name is basically the address to the website. Like for Google, it's google.com, for YouTube, it's youtube.com, for Facebook, it's facebook.com. Now let's suppose my business name is Khadeen Travels, so I would have I would like to have something like khadeentravels.com or khadeentravels.co or khadeentravel.co.uk or this type of thing. So I would have to get it, so I can just market it, or if people want to go to my website, so they know my website's domain name. The second thing is hosting. So hosting is basically a storage which is 24/7 connected to computer, a cloud storage on which all your websites are stored, and this is a special storage specifically designed for storing the websites, website files. Okay, so there are several companies providing these services, but I always recommend bluehost.com. The first reason is I personally use that, and this is I think the core reason, and I'll give you the proof as well. And the second reason is we are going to use WordPress to create this website, and WordPress itself is recommending Bluehost. And the third reason is because their technical support is awesome. If you are a non-technical guy, then you just have to click on this chat button and their technical support will open, live chat would open, and you can ask any question and you can solve any technical problems by just asking them. And their speed and security and their pricing are the best things. And our last thing is their user interface, that's awesome and beginner friendly. Okay, so to get that, what you have to do is special discount and get domain name for free. Just go to link in description below, because when you will go to link in description below, or you just have to type in webifydhub.com/bluehost. so you can just go to link in description or type that link, and you will go to a landing page where you can get the domain name hosting at just $2.95 per month with a free domain name, free SSL certificate, and 24/7 support as well. So just click on get started now. Now you have three options. First one is basic, then plus, then choice plus. 295, 5.45 and 5.45 per month. Now these three plans are different plans. Okay, so if you just need one website, then this one is good for you, but I never recommend this one. I always recommend this one or this one. Why? Because you have you just have to pay $2 extra or maybe 2.5 extra bucks for 2.5 extra to just get this per month. But you would get a lot features, like you can create unlimited websites with unmetered website space and unmetered bandwidth, and here you have 50 GB website space and one website only, and I think this one is awesome in that case. And then you have a lot other features with $200 plus worth marketing offers, and then also one spam experts as well. Like spam experts is basically to avoid spam, and I think that's the best thing you can get. Or you can also get this one. In this one you also get some awesome features like domain privacy and code guard as well. So I'll just go with this one. So let's see how much is the bill. Just select this one. Here I will select khadeentravels.com. I'll click on next, and I hope it would be available. So khadintravels.com is available. By the way, when you will go back here, from here you can select other domain name as well: .net, .org, .uk, .co.uk, .us, .sco, .tech, and a lot others. Okay, so just click on next. So the domain name is available, and now you can just a single sign in with Google, or you can add all your information here. So you would have to add all your information here, and then from here you have to select if you want it for 3 years or for 12 months. So it's a discount, so you can get it for 3 years as well, because this discount will this discount would not be available on the second term. So if you are if this business is growing and this business is working, like you think you are going to sustain it, then you can go with this one as well, if you believe me. And then if you want to test this hosting, if this works for you or not, and then you can go with this 12 months plan to check if it works or not. Okay. So here is your hosting price, and then you have some other features, like you have code guard basic and domain privacy for free, then site lock if you want to enable. I don't think it would be worth it, so for me. So here we are done with the purchasing, and now we are saving $162.70 with 71% off, and here's just total bill of $65, 65 for $40, and I think that's awesome. Okay, for you are getting a premium hosting plan just for $65 per year, with a domain name worth $12 to $13 per year. So the complete hosting is for, I think, $53 per year, and I don't think it's available anywhere else with these same features. Okay, then here's the payment option. So you can select the payment option here. You can click on more payments to pay with PayPal as well, or you can add your credit card, debit card information, and then just click on this one and then click submit. I'll not buy it because I have already bought it, and after clicking on submit, you would have to select your password, and that's all. They might ask you for the website builder, you have to select WordPress and website name as well. You just have to name it, and your website would be published. Okay, then what you have to do is you just have to go there, bluehost.com, and then here you just have to click on login. By the way, all the credentials would be sent to your email as well, so you can also get access there. But you can also if you know the password, you can log in easily. So here you just have to click on login, and here you have to add your domain name. Here you can see my official domain khadeenakbar.com is registered on Bluehost, and I am hosting it on Bluehost. And I'll share with you my website webifydhub.com is also running and properly running. You can check the speed as well, and my 2 to 3 websites are running in the single hosting. Okay, so I'll just so here you have to type in your domain name, and here the password you set it, and then click on login. Just click on login, and we are now being sent to the Bluehost admin panel, and I'll show you the Bluehost portal, how easy it is to use. And here you can see it's the most user friendly portal. You can use it easily from my sites. You can access all your sites, and basically I'm going to create the website on this one. These are official sites, so I'll just click on manage site, and you just have to click on login with WordPress. Or if you want to create a new site as well, you can also create it. Just go to my sites, and from here you can add new site, like create new site, and from here you can just have to select the WordPress, and then here you have to add the name and address, and that's all. Click next, and your website would be published. Now our website is also published. Congratulations to you, your website has already been published. So I'll just click on visit site. So basically this is our website right now, but what we have to do is we have to convert this website into this website, and just for free. So I think that's something awesome. So we'll be in the next part, we'll be converting this website into this website. By the way, just to inform you that your website is live now, it's available on internet now, and you can just give your website address to your friends to so that they can just visit your website. So in this part of the video, we'll be installing and activating our travel booking WordPress theme, and basically to convert this website into this website, that's the must-have thing. So first of all, what you just have to do is you just have to go to link in description or just type in webifiedhub.com/WP travel, and you will be redirected to WP Travel Engine official website. And basically why I'm giving you my link is it would be added, you will be added as my referral, and if you will get something premium from them, you will buy something from them, I'll get a small amount of commission. So you can go directly to their website, or I would prefer going to from my link, so it would benefit me as well. Okay, so first of all, you just have to go to this website, go to themes, and in themes just select free, because we are going to use absolutely free theme. And then you just have to select this travel booking WordPress theme, and you just have to download this WordPress theme. Okay, then enter your email and phone email and name, etc. Click download. So here you go, the theme has been like you have got the theme, you have got the invoice as well. It's for free, but they also provide you the invoice, so and you will also get an email of the invoice as well. Then just click on this one, travel booking 1.1.5, and here you go, the theme has been downloaded. Now you just have to go to your website, just go to themes, click add new. Oh, it's downloaded. Click upload, select choose files, select this travel booking WordPress theme, and click install now. And after you will click on install now, this theme will get installed. And there is another method, you can also download this theme from WordPress directory. I'll tell you how you can do that as well, but first of all, let it be just get installed. It's basically a small and light theme, so it's not too much heavy theme. And then just click on activate, and here you go, the theme has been activated. You can also go to themes, click on add new, and then you can search for travel booking, and here you go, this is the theme. You can download it from the directory as well, so if you don't want to give your contact information. So we have downloaded and installed our activated as well our WordPress theme. So now we'll just activate it. Oh sorry, we'll just reload and we'll check how our website is looking right now. So this is our website, but we'll have to convert it into this website. So in next section, basically we'll be installing some required plugins, and after that we'll just convert this website into this one by the magic. So now we'll be installing some required plugins. First of all, there's a new version available, so we'll have to update it. So just click on update now, and it's got updated. And now just click on go to getting started, or just click on begin installing the plugins. So just click on go to get started, and here are some required plugins which you will have to install. First one is travel booking toolkit, then second one is install WP Travel Engine, and the third one is contact form 7. Also install it. So these plugins are getting installed and activated. It would take a while to get activated, so these plugins are installed and activated, and now it's asking to begin the tour with Travel Engine. So we'll have to set up WP Travel Engine website as well. After clicking on this begin tour, here we are, and you just have to close it and allow and continue. And here you go, and here are some of the WP Travel Engine settings. First of all, these are page settings, and let them be as it is, or you can just change the pages as well, but I think these are by default good to go. And then you have some trip tab settings, so if you want to edit the pre-existing tabs, or you want to add new tabs from here, you can add them. Then you have our trip info. By the way, if you I cannot cover everything in this video, so if you want a complete guide, you also have the WP Travel Engine official YouTube channel. You can also go there and watch tutorials, or you can just go to their website, and they have complete documentation of each feature one by one, so you can also get access to that. Okay, if you don't understand anything, or you can just comment down in the comment down below, and I would love to answer your questions and queries. And now the next one is emails. So we'll just go to emails, and here in email section we have the sale notification emails. Basically this is the email where you want to receive the notification when each sale happens. And then here you can enable or disable some kind of buttons, and then you have payment notification settings and templates, so you can play around with them as well. Then custom content templates, you can also play around with them. And then miscellaneous settings. So in miscellaneous settings you have payment currency. You want to select like Pakistani rupees or Indian rupees or Sri Lankan or Australian dollars or Canadian dollars or any kind of currency you can select there, but let it be as United States dollars. And then from here you can select the symbol as well. So the currency code should be USD or the dollar sign, so I'll just select this one. Then you have a lot other payment settings, so you can enable them as well. Then some display settings. From here you can hide booking form, and hide inquiry form as well, hide emergency contact details, and a lot other things, so you can do that. Miscellaneous settings, if you want to change the button text, and if you want to change the email subjects when you receive an inquiry or others, you can just do a lot of things. Now it's a very important section, which is the payment section. Right now by default you have just 4 payment options: book now, pay later, PayPal standard, direct bank transfer, and check payments. But don't worry, there is a large directory of payment methods, but right now by default you have these payment methods. But after importing the demo, I'll share with you that how you can integrate immense amount of payment methods like Stripe, like PayU, because Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, these are the payment gateways which are available internationally. But if you are from India, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, South Africa, or these local states, and you are going to sell local to local people, then there are a lot payment methods that you can use locally as well. If you want to skip it, you can go to that section and you can see which payment methods are available. And then now here you would have to select the payment method. So I'll select book now, pay later, and PayPal standard, and I'll just click on this one, save and continue, and then book now, pay later, and then PayPal settings. Here you would have to enter your PayPal email. Then direct bank transfer, you would have to enter all your direct bank transfer details. Then check bank payments, or you will also have to enter all the details. Then you have the dashboard. Here in dashboard, if you want to require customer to register to book trips and a lot other settings, you can explore these settings. And I think this is all about setting up the WP Travel Engine WordPress plugin. And now we should move on to the importing website demo, like converting this website into this website, and this is the most amazing part. So to import this demo and things, you have to go to appearance and go to customize. This is basically a customizer where we will be customizing our complete website. But first of all, we have to install the demo, and we just have to do the magic and import complete website within one click. Not one but 2 clicks. So just go to demo and document. Like here you can see there are a lot of features available, but we just have to go to demo and documentation. Just click on this one, demo link. And here you go. It's not available right now. Sorry, I just clicked on the wrong link. So now what we have to do is we just have to go back, and I just checked it and I was shocked that why it is not working. And then I found that we have to click on this documentation link. So just click here, and just go below a bit, and here you would have to find this demo file. So just click here to download that demo file, and you will be able to download this demo file. And after downloading that, we'll just cross it, go back, and here from appearance we'll just have to go to not in appearance. Now just go to the plugins and click on add new. We'll have to install one-click demo import plugin. So just search for demo import, and you will get this one-click demo import. So just click install, and here you can see you have the complete documentation here as well. And I think where it is, so here you can see the complete demo import documentation, what to do, what not to do. you have all the details here, like how to import the data and do all these things. So we'll have to install this one. Click activate, and after clicking activate, I think up in appearance here you can see the click on import demo data, and here you go, this is the theme. Now from here, and here you have to select the import content, import widgets, and import customizer. So first of all we'll import content, then widgets, and then customizer. So first of all just click on select file. It's an XML file. Here is the travel booking demo import content, so you just have to extract it. We'll extract it first of all, then we'll just go to folder, and from here we'll select the XML file, which is this one. So this is the XML file. Then the widgets file would be in JSON or WIE. So again click on select file, and here you can see the WIE file, so just select it, and then import customizer is in a DAT file, DAT data file. So just select this one, okay, and then just click on continue and import. So here you go, demo content is getting imported. So here you go, our demo has been imported successfully, and now we'll just reload our website, but nothing changed. So first of all what we have to do is we just have to go back and just go to settings and in reading, and in reading we just have to select the static page. As home page, select home. As post page, select blog, and that's all. Just click save changes, and then just go to appearance and go to menus, and in menus what you have to do is you have to go a bit below and then click on this primary, display location equals primary, click save changes, save menu, and again go there, click reload, and here you go, the website. What's the difference between this website, sorry, where is the website? So this one. So what's the difference between this website and this website? Both are same, okay, except this ribbon. So I think we have imported the demo successfully, we have set up our pages successfully, and now we'll have to move on to our next part, which is talking about some important extensions and some payment methods that you can use within this website. So again you have to type in webifyhub.com/wptravel or go to link in description and just go to add-ons. And here in add-ons you have a lot add-ons available there, in which first of all it's about user experience, and in user experience you have trip fixed starting dates, and then advanced itinerary builder, form editor, currency converter for multiple currencies, and then trip weather forecast as well, for getting the real-time weather details, and then some upselling for with group discount and extra services, then some marketing add-ons, which is a partial payment, with which they can do a partial payment and book a trip, and it's in installments basically. Then you can embed trips, and then user history as well, then for lead capture, and then for conversions as well. In lead capture you have itinerary downloader, with which users can download the files, and then file downloads, and then for conversions you have social proof, with which you can add the pop-ups into the website. So it's a social proof and user are more likely to buy your packages, and then trip reviews and testimonials, and then trip fixed starting dates as well. Like there are counters, and then an automation add-on, which is regarding different automations and connections, and you can add like Zapier to connect it. And then at the end let's just talk about some payment gateways as I have promised, and there are 10 payment add-ons that you can use. So in payment gateways, first of all you have WooCommerce payments, in which you can use PayU, Afterpay, WooCommerce and payments, and Chase, eWay, PayPal, Square, and Amazon Pay, Stripe, Authorize.net, PayFast, and Klarna. And then you have Stripe as well, PayPal, Express Checkout, and then you have PayU. PayU is basically in India for Indian customers. Then Mitrans is also available for Indonesians. Then PayHere is for Sri Lankans, and Himalayan Bank is for Nepalis, and then PayUbase is also a payment service. I don't know for which region it is. I think it's also a popular payment service. Then it's PayFast for South Africans, and let's click on load more. And also Authorize.net. It's basically a Stripe competitor, and it's international. Okay, so these are all the payment gateways as well. Now how to get it? Just click on view details on any of this add-on, and here you will have our view pricing thing. Just click on this one, view pricing, and here you go. So basically you have three plans: a personal, travel agency, and development company. So you can get access to all these add-ons for one website, and for 10 websites. So it's basically you are getting it with a discount, 50% discount. And here you can see the features. So basically in the personal version, you will not get trip fixed starting dates. In marketing, you will not get trips embedded, and you will not get Zapier. You will not get social proof. You will not get access to all payment gateways as well. And like you can see the add-ons prices. Basically the website is for free, but these are the extra add-ons. If you want to use them, you can use them. Then is the travel agency plan, in which everything is available, and I think this is the most recommended plan, so you can go with it as well. And you can just buy it. Now I have already got it, so I'll just click on login, and I have access to all these plugins. So I'll just click on login, and now we'll just go to add-ons. Let's suppose a payment gateways, and I'll just click on Stripe payment gateway, and here you can see I have a download now button, so I'll download it. It got downloaded. Just go there and click on add plugins, click on add new, and click upload, click choose files, and in downloads, from downloads you just have to select that add-on, click on install now, and this payment gateway would be installed into your website. Then just click on activate plugin, and that's all. Now here you would have the integration into WP Travel Engine settings. Then you would have to go to here in payment, first of all into settings, and here you'd have to go to payments, and here you have also Stripe as well. Okay, so you have to add the Stripe keys and details, and your Stripe payment gateway would be added as well. But first of all, you would have to add the plugin license here. So so you will have to first of all add the license key. You can add the license key here, or you can just go there into your account section, just copy your website link. Just copy your website link, just go there, click on manage sites, and then paste your website link here, click add site. So our website has been added here, and now I'll just reload it. Add copy the license from here, paste it here, just click save changes. So here you can see my license has been activated, and now I can use a Stripe as well for my payments, and that's how I can use all the plugins available here, all the add-ons available here. I have access to all these add-ons and I can use anything I want. Now it's on you, which plan do you want and which plans do you want to use. You can just go there and you can just grab those add-ons if you want, but otherwise the creating the website is just for free. Now we will be customizing the website using customizer, and we're doing all the settings that are required using the customizer, making edits in logos and images and all these things. So to do that, what we have to do is we just have to go to appearance and go to customize, and our customizer will get opened. So here you can see we are on customizer right now. So basically there are two options to edit. First of all, you can let me just make it a little smaller, and also so here you can see there are two options. First one is you have the things that are to be edited have the pencil icon, so you can click on each pencil icon and edit them, or you can just go to each tab and edit the things. Okay, so we'll be going to each tab and edit the things. So first of all, it's site identity. Basically in site identity, first of all you have to change the site title, then tagline. Let's suppose I'll add by Khadeen Akbar. Okay, the website, okay, travel and tour booking. Okay, and then you would have to add a logo as well. So I'll just click there, go to upload files, click select files, and then you just have to go to the logos. Let's see this one. You just have to select the logo, click select, and from here you would have to crop it and select it, and here you go, your logo would be added there. So here you go, here's your logo. Now I think I don't want to display this site title and tagline. If you don't have logo, you can just add the tagline and title, or if you don't have that, you can just remove it. So the website title and tagline has been removed and we just have this logo, and or you can just remove this logo and you can just display this title and tagline if you want. It's basically on you, what do you want to see. I think the better fit is this one, text and the tagline, and then you have a site icon. Site icon basically displays let me show you here at this part, and if you want to display here your identity, then you would have to upload a site icon which should be 512 by 512. Okay, so this one I'll upload it, and here I have uploaded it. And now what we have to do is we just have to select it, click select, and again click select. Here you can see it would be displayed there. Click crop, and in real time it has been changed. Here you can see, first of all it was like this one, now it is this one. Okay, so it has been changed, and now we'll go back, and then we have some appearance settings from where you can just select change your appearance colors in background color if you want to change it, and if you want to make it transparent, you can make it. I think transparency is not available here, so transparent is not available here, but you can make it white or you can make it black as well. So it's on you, what color do you want in your website. And then if you want to add a background image, you can also add a background image as well. If you don't want to use color, you want to use some kind of gradient or any background image, you can use the background image as well. Then here we have layout settings. So in page sidebar, in page, like let's go to which page should we go to, which page? Yeah, contact page. So we'll just go to the contact page, or you just go to this sample page. So here you can see you have this sidebar, which is a pretty annoying, and it would be much annoying on checkout pages. But when you select this without sidebar and publish it, then there would be no sidebar here. Okay, so we just have selected it, published it. So now we have published it. I'll just go there and reload it. and here you can see it's without sidebar. So that's how it works. Then we'll go to front page settings. First of all, you have this banner. So if you want to add change image of this banner, you can change it. And then this is the button, and if you want to change this button title which is above, or button label which is below, you can also edit it. And then its button URL where you want to redirect this button to, like to destination, activities, trips, or any other page, or to your Facebook or Instagram page or anything else. And then your current header and suggested headers, and like you can just randomize the headers as well. And or if you want to add any other image, or if you want to add any YouTube video, you can add your own YouTube video as well for this travel website. Okay, and then you have the search section. If you want to enable this search section or disable this search section. And then the about section, this is the about section. If you want to edit anything, you can edit it from here, but it's modern times, and you can just click on each one and you can just edit the text of each of them from here, from here, from here. And from here you can click on you can just edit the button. If you want to add anything, any icon to the button, you can also add the icon to the button, and it would be a lot amazing to just use it. And from here you can just change the link as well. And then the popular packages section, and then enable popular packages demo content. If you want to remove, yeah, you would have to remove the demo content. So now we'll remove it, and we'll have to add new packages here because we don't want demo content here. So but if you want it, you can just keep it, but you would have to remove it. So popular package 1, 2, 3, 4, so you would have to select some packages from here. So select each of the package, and this package you will select here would be added. So I have told you that how you can edit it, and now what you can do is you can just after adding the packages, I'll share with you later that how to add packages after you have added packages. So you can come here into customizer and you can edit these packages, add the packages, and you can also change this URL. What you can do is you can just copy the packages URL and add it here. Okay, and then it's a banner basically. So what we first of all will just go back, and this is call to action section, and the image is not added here, so we would have to add the image here. So to change the image, just click on change, click upload files, select an image you want. Like I had this one, so I'll upload this one, this image. And as it's uploaded, just select this one, and the image has been selected now. And here you go, the image has been selected, and this is the image. Done. So we are, I think, done with this one. So here you can see this is the, now to customize the text, you have text section, you have call to action, also buttons as well. Two call to action buttons are what you have. You can select one or you can select two from here. And then let's just go back. And then you have feature section about feature trips. Again, if you want to include the demo content or not. And then from here you would have to select the category. So I think let it be as it is. Number of trips details. From here you can just change the number of trips and number of featured trips you want to add to home page. And then you have this text and all these, just change this text. And go back, and then you have deal section. These are basically a bit similar. And then deal post 1, deal post 2, deal post 3, deal post 4. We don't have deals right now, so first of all you have to create the deals, and then you can add the deals here. Okay, right now you don't have the deals. From here you can, otherwise you can just select the packages, the trip packages. From here you can select them, but right now there are the images are not available on those packages, so we cannot select. Like let's suppose we select this one. So if we select this one on the post one on in the post one section, we would not get the image, so it would feel a bit odd. So that's why I'm not using it for right now. So here you can see this doesn't have any image, so that's why I was not selecting, and I thought it should be demo content only, and then I can tell you that I'll tell you that how to add the packages, trips, and destinations, and then you can add all these things. I have told you that how to add them from here. Then you can come here and you can add them, and then you have the destination section. So from here you can just select the cities. Which city do you want to go? Right now it's again the demo content, and after adding all these you can come here and you can add your own cities. And then the call to action section 2, again the same process. Click change, select image from here because we have already uploaded it, and don't forget to add alt text. So alt text to any of image, or to all images add the alt text related to the image or related to the website, because it would help you rank on Google. Select it, and it would be added within a while. So here you go, it's added. And then you have the next section, which is activities section. So again activities section, you have to do the same process, add activities and then come here and add them. Okay, and or if you want to hide any section, you have enable a star section, like enable activities section. So if you want to hide any section, you can click on you can unmark this one, so it would not be showed even. And then at the end you have blog section. You can show your blog. This one is your basically blog travel stories, and right now I just want to hide it, so I'll hide it. And that's all. Then you have this one, basically first of all this text is basically in footer. We'll go there and we'll edit it, but first of all you have home page. We have done these edits. And then you have footer settings, and from here if you want to change the background image, you can just change that image. And the footer copyright, from here you can just change that. This is basically the demo. Sorry, this was basically the we'll just go to home page, and in footer we'll go below, and this was basically a demo. And what we can do is we can just copy and paste this text. 2022 travel booking by I'll add Webified Hub, and let me check if we can add links. No, we can't add links, but here in widgets, I think we haven't explored the widgets yet. And also the menus as well. So after front page we have directly gone to the footer and widgets, but no worries. First of all, let's just explore widgets, then we'll explore general settings and menus. So go to widgets. First of all, you have sidebars. Here you can just change the sidebar widgets. Now what I mean by sidebar widgets, let me just go there and go to some kind of post. Let's just go to blog. Don't worry, we'll be editing those things as well. So we can just click on read more. So right now we don't have sidebar, but let's just go back. If you want to show show the sidebar in layout settings, let's suppose the right sidebar, click publish. And I think it's published. And now let's just see if it just shows up here. So if this one is sidebar, so let's just go back to widgets, and here in sidebar, if you want to edit the things, like it's a block, and it's a block containing these archives. So if you want to add these headings and these things, you can add or remove the widgets. Like let's suppose you want to add a calendar in sidebar, or add an archive, or add a navigation bar, or let's suppose you want to add let's suppose that's for a video. Just click there. From here you can add a video. We don't have video yet, but here you can just add a video as well if you want to do, or if you want to insert from URL. Let's just go to YouTube, and here on YouTube, let's just go to my channel. Let's just see the latest video we have. Copy link address, just paste it here and add to widget. So here you go, we have added the video. Sorry, video, click publish. So it's published. Now we'll just refresh it, and we'll just go below, and here you can see we have the video section. And if you want to change it, like move it to top, you can just move it to top as well, and then click publish, and we'll just go there and we'll just reload it. So here you can see the video is at the top, and from here we can play the video as well. Okay, so that's how you can edit the sidebar. Then you have footer one. In footer one, you can just change your website name, website by Khadeen, and then you can just change the text as well. Then click on this edit button, and you can change I don't want to show the this one, and you can change the styles of the recent posts as well. Then you have some quick links. If you want to add some quick links, you can go there, and from here you can just edit the menu and add the quick links. And if you want to add the trip listing, you can also edit that trip listing as well. Again, we'll just go back to the home page. So from here you can just add the trip links as well, and then you have this widget. Which one? This one, contact info. So you can just change your phone number, email, and address as well. And from here you can just add your social profile links as well. Now I would have to go fast because I don't want to waste your time, so I'm getting a lot of time of yours. And I think that's all about the footer settings and widgets. And now let's just go to the general settings. So we'll just go to general settings. First of all, it's a post page, and from here you can just change the post page settings. First of all, excerpt length. Excerpt is basically a text which a small text that is shown. Let me just give you an example if it's available here. No, it's not available here, but here's basically the text, a small amount of text which is available in archives. And if you want to enable the related post or not, then you have the 404 page. If a page is not available, 404 page shows. So if you want to show enable the demo content on that, and if you want to show the trips on that, again there's same process. And then you have some SEO settings, and I think you should leave it as it is. Then these are the menus. First of all, we have edited the quick links, but we want to edit this one. So basically here you can see it seems a bit professional, like home, destination, activities, trip types, trips, pages, contact. This pages seems a bit unprofessional. So what we do is we move blog to the top, so it would show here. Blog shows here. We want to remove this full width one. We want to remove this sample page, the category page, style guide as well. Then we want to remove this one as well, and search page as well, and all these pages we want to remove, all these pages. And what we want to keep is blog and contact, and we also want to remove this pages section as well. So now it seems a bit professional, and we'll just click on publish, and that's all. So we are done with our home page, and we are done with our customizer settings, and we are done with our customization settings. Now we'll be exploring some dynamic things like adding destinations, activities, trip types, trips, and a lot other things. So let's move on to the last section. So now we'll be creating the trips, activities, destinations, trip types. So how to do it? We'll just quit the customizer, and then we'll just go to the trips. So basically in demo content we have imported the trips, but what we will be doing is I'll share with you that how you can edit it. But what you would have to do is you would have to delete all these trips and just remove the all of them and just create them from scratch, all the trips, destinations, activities, trip types and pricing categories and a lot other things. So first of all we'll just go to destinations. And in destinations right now we have Bhutan, London, Maldives, Morocco, Nepal, Paris, Venice and Vietnam. But what you have to do is you have to add your own ones. How to add them? Like let's suppose I want to add Sri Lanka. So name is Sri Lanka. The slug is basically what shows here after the website address. So I'll add Sri Lanka as well. So here you would have to add the description. Like let's suppose Sri Lanka is a beautiful country with water and oceans. Okay. And then here in parent categories, basically this is in travel, this is basically for Sri Lanka is a parent category. And if you want to add any cities in Sri Lanka, then you can add the Sri Lanka as their parent. I'll share with you how, but now would have to add the image. So just click on add image, and from here you would have to select the image from and you would have to paste it, like upload the image of Sri Lanka. So to add the image, I'll just click on add image, upload files, select files. You would have to download your own images or get your own images for your website. And then I'll just go to travel destinations, and here for Sri Lanka this one is good, and I'll have to choose image. And then here you can add the short description as well, like this is Sri Lanka, and then add new destination. Okay, so that's how you would have to add new destination. And if you want to add any Sri Lankan city, like this is just for Sri Lankan city, then a slug would automatically be added, and then as parent you would have to add Sri Lanka. Okay, so it would added in it would be then at the child category of Sri Lanka. Okay, but right now what I'll do is I'll just customize all of them and add images to all these countries, and you would have to add the destinations by yourself, in which destinations you are working, and I'll get back to you. So here you can see we have added all the required destinations now, and we are done with the destinations. You can add destinations of your choice. If you want to edit any destination, just click on edit, and after clicking on edit, from here you can just change the text and the description, the image as well. Now let's just move on to the activities. What activities the customers can do there, and there's the same process: name, slug, and description and image as well. So here you can see here are some of the sample activities: hiking, hot air balloon, jungle safari, and paragliding. This would be used to add activities in the trip. So right now the images are not added, so would add images only, and that would be. So here you can see after clicking on this edit, and here I have added images to all of them. In demo content images were not available. Now we are done with destinations, activities. Now we'll just move on to the trip types, and we'll edit trip types one by one. And here again is the same case as activities destination, because these are the same things: name, slug, parent, trip type, and then you have the image and the short description. So we'll just go to edit. First of all, the budget travel, and in budget travel I'll just go below a bit and click on edit image. By the way, you can edit the things from here if you want, or you can add new ones. So click on edit image. I'll just click on upload files, click upload files, and just go back, and I'll select travel types, and here are the travel types. So I'll just add all the travel types and click open. So it would get uploaded in a while. So here, from here to edit the text, and then from here you can edit the name. Like let's suppose I want to convert it to anything else, like cost effective travel, and then cost effective travel, and here I'll add the image, this one, or maybe this one. Yeah, this one, this one. Yeah, so just select this one, click upload, and if you want to get images for your kind of things, what you can do is you can just go to Envato Elements, the link is in description, or you can just go to any other images sites, Pexels or any other sites, and you can get the images for any kind of like your kind of categories, and just click on update, and it has been updated. Now we'll just get back, and the same is the case with each and every one, and we just have to go to each one, and I just edit all of them, and I'll just pause the video and edit all of. So we are done with these trip types, activities, destinations. Now we'll check if these are available or not, and where these are located. So when someone will click on destinations, all your destinations will be available, but these destinations are not available right now because you don't have any posts, and when you will have posts, and the destination, activities, trip types will be available. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is we have to add a new trip to make all these things visible. So I'll just click on click on all trips, and then I'll just click on add new to add a new trip, and we'll just go to the demo site, and from here we'll just copy and paste the data to save the time. So here we have all the thing, and from here we'll be copying all the data, and then we'll just paste it here. Okay, so first of all it's the trip title, and we'll just copy the trip title from here, and we'll just paste it here, and then we have, I think we just missed it something. So we'll just remove all these, and this was done by mistake. So here we have the title first of all, and then these are all the images. We'll also copy and paste these images. So this is the description, so we'll just copy it and paste it here. So this is the description, and then in trip we'll have to select the destinations, which destinations we want to show, in all destinations, in all activities, because we want to show all these things. So we'll show this trip in all of the trip types, trip destinations, and trip activities. And then you want to set a feature image, you can also set it. And then are the main settings here, WP travel engine trip settings. First of all, this is the trip code, you can just change it, and then the duration, let's suppose 8 days, and nights, 8 nights, and then enable cutoff time. Cutoff time means the time before which the trips are allowed, so you have to select it as well if you want to, and then set the minimum and maximum age if you want to select the minimum and maximum age of the trip, and then select the minimum and maximum participants. This one is also optional, this one is also optional. If you want to select it or not, it's on you. Then you have the pricing. So from here you can just create the pricing packages, click on add a new package. Here you can see I'll say sample package 1, and from here you can edit the pricings and dates. In general settings you can add short description, and then you can also add for adults how much is the price per person. Let's suppose for adults it's $100 per person, and you can also enable sale, and then for child it's $200 per person and enable sale. And from here you can just set the things up, and here you go, you have added the package, and this is the package you can add into the packages section on our home page. Okay, did you got it? And Then you have you can add more as well, and you can add partial payments using partial payments extension, and I have told you about the extensions before. Or if you have skipped that part, you can just check the extension section, and there you will find all the information about extension, how you can add the partial payments on all these things. Then some extra services if you want to add, but for extra services you will also need an extension. And then the overview, here you can again add a trip description, and then this overview section, and then the trip highlights if you want to add. So we'll go below. So this one is overview basically. Then these are the highlights, so you can add the highlights as well. Like first of all you have to add a section title, and then you would have to add a trip highlight as well. This is also optional if you want it. And then you have itinerary section. Here the section title is itinerary, and here you can add first itinerary, and then it's a description like this one. First one is title and then description, the title and description. And you can also add itinerary download. You can add files, and the tour detail files, and they can download them, but it's again with the premium extension. You would have to go to webifydub.com/wptravel, but these are the things that are extra dynamic things. With the free version you can create a website, you can set it up, but when you would need some extra premium features, then you would need that premium extension. Okay, then includes and excludes, what is included, what services are included and what services are excluded. All these kind of things are also available there, so you can add them as well. And the cost excludes title, the services excludes title, and all these things. So you can just add them. And then a trip in the trip info section, where you can add a section and then the title. By the way, you can use this short code to just share it into your blogs. So basically what happens is, when you are doing blogs, you will get traffic from Google, and there you can just embed your trips, and so user can click on these trips easily and get to these trips trip pages, and they can book. So this is basically the way of marketing. And then the gallery section, you can enable video gallery if you want to add YouTube video or Vimeo video, or you can just add an image gallery. So I'll just select it, and from here I'll just upload files from the gallery section. This one is gallery section. I'll upload all the files, then select all the files, and all the files are added, and I'll just click on add images. So all the images are added, and then I just click on save and continue. So basically you would have to add the trip highlights as well. So here we have added some trip highlights as well. And then into itinerary, in itinerary you would have to add the itineraries. We'll just copy and paste. So first of all, this one to be copied and pasted, and then copy and paste. We'll be just doing the copy and paste paste, and then again and the second itinerary, and here you go, we have pasted it as well. And then you can add more itineraries as well, and it would be basically on your choice. And then the cost includes and excludes, just in cost topics it would show here. So basically these are some the cost includes. See, and we have to add the services that are included in the cost. So we'll add just the 3 of them. Okay, and this one was basically for excludes, and this one is for includes X, and this one, and then this one is for excludes. So we'll just copy and paste, the things. So these are the things that are not included in the cost, and I'll just click on save and continue. And then we have the map section. Here you can just upload the map as well if you want to upload it, or you can just add a iframe from you can just add an iframe from Google Maps. Create a just extract the location from Google Map, and then you can just create an iframe with online iframe generator, and then you can paste the code here, or you can add an image of the map. And let's suppose I'm just, for the sake of example, I'm just adding this one, or I'll just go to upload files, or let me just select any other image. So if we have any of them, no, we don't have any map images, so we'll just go with this one. Click save and continue. And then you have facts section. Add the facts title, and then you can just facts, the answer, and the question. So that's how I'm just copying and pasting. Click save and continue. Then you have final download section, and that is not, I think, for the free users. And that's all about the trip. We'll just click on publish. Click publish, and it's published. Click on view trip, and here you can see the trip is available. The images are there, the gallery is there, checking availability, and then you have all these things available, like the trip highlights, itinerary, facts, map, and all the things available. So that's how you can just change it and play around with the things. And if you want to add a new one, what you just have to do is, you don't have to add a new an extra trip. So you can just click on clone to clone another trip. So all the data would be cloned, and you have to make some edits, and that's all. And you just have to click on publish. And now we'll just go to the trips section, and here you can see 2 trips are available. More than 2 trips are available. Sorry, we are on the demo site, so here we'll go to trips. So 2 trips are available right now. When I'll select Maldives, there are 2 trips, and you can just change the price range as well. Like you can play around with these things, and this is a beautiful UI available. And when you will click on activities, you can see all the activities are shown now, and there you can see 2 trips because we added these trips in all the sections. Okay, so that's all about dealing with the trips, adding trips, trip categories, trip listings, and trip activities, destinations, types, and trips themselves. And I think we should remove this one, and now you can see we have a beautiful thing available with us, and we have created a beautiful thing now. Now it's time for a marketing thing. So we'll just go to dashboard, and I'll teach you how you can create coupons. Just go to this WP travel engine, and you just have to go to this coupon section, click on add new, and from here you can just create new coupons. Here you can just add the coupon title, like sample coupon. Then here you have to add the coupon code, sample 100. And then the fixed price. If you want to using this coupon, what do you want your users to get? A fixed discount, or a discount in percentage, like 60% discount, 20% discount. So I'll say percentage, then discount value. Let's suppose if it's 100, it's 100%, and the date, the start date. The start date is from today, and then expiry date, let's suppose it's that date. And allow coupon use for which one, which trip. If you want to add it to certain trips, then you can add the trips. But if you want to create it for the whole website, then you don't need to select it. And then the usage limit, it should be 10, and that's all. And then you just have to click on publish, and your coupon has been published, and that's all. Your coupon is active as well. Now when someone will go to trips, And by the way, now that packages are added, now all the things are added, now you can just go to customize and you can just change these things, also popular packages and the deals and discounts and all these things, you can change them. Now we'll just go to trips, select a trip from here, check availability, 30 and $0 and continue. Now it's $2,000. Oh my god, it's again the other one. So I'll just go to the website and trips, go there, it's for $100, check availability, 30 and continue, 1 and proceed to checkout. And here if I apply sample 100, so I have got 100% off on that, and the bill is total bill is $0 and I can just proceed with it. So that's how you can use the coupons. And the next marketing part is creating the new blog post. So you just have to click on post, click on add new, and here you will have to first of all add a blog post title, sample blog post. Then here you would have to select the view of it, default left, right or no sidebar. So I'll select right sidebar, and then here you would have to select the categories, like let's suppose mountaineering, and here you would have to, this is a sample paragraph, copy V, and again next block, next block, next block, and then you would have to publish it, and if it's good it would rank on Google and get you a lot of the customers. And the one more thing that you can do is, as I shared with you, that you can also get the snip codes. How to do it? Just go to trips, all trips, and from here you can also make them featured, make your trips featured. Just click on this one and your trip will become featured. And now I'll just click on edit, and after clicking on edit, here in trip info I have this short code, and I'll just copy this short code, and here at top I'll add a section which is short code. I'll paste this short code here and click update. It's published, view post, and here you can see this I think, oh sorry, let's just go back, and here also add this one, and now I think it's working. Yeah, it works now, and click update. It has been published. Click on view post. So when this code is added, it would show here in the blog post, and then you can view it on the blog post as well. So a user is reading your blog post about anything, and he finds a trip or a package regarding that, there it is more he or she is most likely to go there and visit that landing page, and maybe convert it into your customer as well. So I think we are done with our website, and we have completed designing our website, and we have completed our website as well. So here if I select Morocco, activities should be this one, and I'll search, and there you can see we have the search bar. Everything is working. Our website is fully functional. Our website is in the terms of back end, in front end, everything is working fine. We have all the feature tips, deals and discounts like we had in demo. And here you can see we have the footers, and we have the pages, we have the things customized, and it seems completely professional website designed by someone professional. And I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and if you have any question, let me know in comments. And that's all about the video. See you in next video, and don't forget to use my link if you want to buy a Premiere Pro theme or a Pro plugin. And also don't forget to check out the WordPress web design plugin in that playlist of which the link is in description. And you can watch the videos how to create different kinds of websites, and also the travel, business, digital marketing strategies also in description below, the complete playlist. And I think we are done with the video right now. I am also too tired, did a lot retakes and created the video after a lot retakes. And now let's meet in next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay